Hello everyone. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a review on Pop Secret popcorn, and the style is home style butter, and it's a natural flavor. So let's get right into this review. All right, so what makes this popcorn so delicious is that it is made from a company that's been around since 1985. It has a sprinkle of salt and a little bit of taste of butter. So if you like the combination of salt and butter, this popcorn is definitely what you want to have in your mouth and you want to taste it. Now, this is the 3.2 ounce bag. That means it comes with six bags of popcorn, and on the side it says that it has zero trans fat, so this is good for people that are trying to stay healthy. It's 100% whole grain and non-GMO corn. So what we have here is a very healthy pack of popcorn. So also it says no artificial flavor, preservative, flavors, or dye. So yes, this is definitely a very healthy snack for you. So we're gonna go ahead and open it up and just inspect the packages. Okay, make sure you always check for the expiration date on there. You can also buy this like in the, I think they have like the 18 pack or yeah. So I just bought the 1 pack here. So we can go ahead and open it up. Boom, what do we have here? 6 delicious packs of popcorn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and put a pack of popcorn inside of my microwave here. But before I do that, just wanna give you some recommendation based on the package on this popcorn. So basically, it is recommended that you do not use the popcorn setting on your microwave. Some microwave have a stronger heat to them, and yeah, it can just cause your popcorn to like come out crispy and burnt. We want fluffy, white, delicious popcorn. So in order to do that, it is recommended that you turn your popcorn to the microwave to 4 minutes. It's not going to take the whole 4 minutes. Likely they're done in like 1.5 minutes. But once the popcorn starts slowing down between 2-second pause, that's when you know that your popcorn is almost done. So let's move on to the next part of this review, and that is making this delicious popcorn. Let's see, can I make some fluffy popcorn without burning it? All right, everyone. So I have my Pop Secret popcorn right here. We're gonna go inside and put this in the microwave. We're gonna open it up. I got my microwave set for 4 minutes. Like I said, the popcorn is usually done in 1.5 minutes, but depending on the type of microwave you have. So go ahead. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and see if it's really going to be fluffy. But I have a lot of confidence in it. So you're gonna go ahead and open it up. Okay, this part should be facing down, and you want to make sure that you put it right in the center of the microwave. Excuse me, my microwave is not the cleanest at the moment because I am moving out the house to another house and just neglecting that part. But anyway, all right, so I got it center in the middle, and then we're gonna go ahead and turn it on. All right, everyone, so we got the popcorn rolling, and we're gonna wait till it start popping. All right, everyone, my popcorn is done now. As you can see, it is white and fluffy. Let me do a taste test on it. Delicious. I could eat all this on camera right now. So the Pop Secret popcorn just tastes good. Tastes like a little bit of salt, a little bit of butter on it, and it's delicious, and I highly recommend it. I also want to say thank you for watching this review, and I will see you in the next video, and take care.